Today is December 26, 2020. What a year. Wanted to start out by saying I actually have quit my job, which is kind of scary but also exciting. The family, we want to start our own business, so we're going to do this family farm, and then also we're going to have a lawn care business on the side. And today what we're going to do is get all of the tomato plants, cucumber plants, and pepper plants cleaned out. And we're going to get all the beds prepped for carrots, lettuce, radishes, beets, and get everything going because we want to get some customers that we deliver to on a weekly basis. We want to get things in the ground now, so as of March 1st, we can start delivering to all of the customers that we get. So we have a lot to do as a family. We need to get all of our customers. We have 0 customers for the farm and for the lawn care business. And I'm going to work extra hard to try and get customers, and then the family's going to work extra hard and try and get things prepped. So today we're going to get this thing cleaned out. The girls are helping. We enjoyed the morning after Christmas playing with the stuff we got for Christmas. We had a good time with family. Unfortunately, we didn't get to spend a lot of time with friends this year just because of the circumstances, but I think 2021 is going to be a good year, and we're going to make it happen. We're going to make this business make it, and I hope it all goes well. So yeah, we'll show some pictures of when we get it all done, and thanks for watching. Just finishing up in here. We got all the tomato plants taken out, all the cucumber plants taken out, all the pepper plants taken out, and got it weeded pretty well. So now what we need to do is get it seeded for carrots and all those spring stuff that we can grow in the hoop house. Like I said, it's December, towards the end of December right now, and we should be able to get stuff planted in here. While we were doing this, it was probably 65 degrees and outside, I don't know, it's probably 40, low 40s, so it's pretty good. Glad to get this done. If you or you know anyone that's wanting produce delivered on a weekly basis throughout the 2021 season, get a hold of us, leave us a message. We'll get you our contact information. We are in the Boise, Nampa, Caldwell area, southeast Idaho. So get a hold of us. We'd love to be able to provide fresh produce to you. And like I said, I am currently unemployed, so we are looking for customers. Another way to support us is subscribe to our channel, like the videos. So yeah, we appreciate you watching and look forward to seeing you in the coming year. Thanks.